Okay, so account reports are a key step in the account process because they give you and your client a visualization of the count that you just ran. So, and they also give you the ability to see your count total broken down by geography and or the demographic criteria, however you've got it selected. And so, and running a count also saves you your criteria and geography for future reference. So click Count Report on the left of the screen to get started. And creating a count report is easy. It's an easy three-step process. And users have a few options to choose from the count report type. So I'm going to explain the differences. The distributed report is the default and provides totals by geography. And if your account includes any demographics, you can include those on the report as well with their own separate breakout. The 2D report option allows users to get creative and see totals by geography and demographics used in the account. For example, like totals by zip code and income ranges. And the 3D report goes one step further and lets you break the count by 3 different levels. Step 2 on that page is where you'll pick your format and delivery options for the report. The default report is Excel, which is great if you want to add your company logo and add pricing in before you send it off to the client. But you do have the added option of creating an HTML version of this report as well. Step 3 is where you'll select any other items on the breakout for the report. In this instance, if you wanted to see the breakout for a number of credit lines, you can just click on the box next to it and it'll be added to the report. And you also have 2 options to name the count and the report. So the count name will show in your history page, so you want to name that something like the client's name or something like that to refer back to it later on. And then the report name could be like a job ID for that client. And the report name will be visible to the client, so be careful what you put on there. And once you're happy with the report setup, click Submit Report at the top of the page, and your report will be emailed to you momentarily. So after you submit a count report, your page will refresh with the following message, giving you quick access to your account your account history, or to start the order process. And you can also view count and order history under the My History link at the top of the screen. And one other item to note, if you look at the summary on the right, your current selects are still present. So if you had a client wishing to run like a 3 or 5 mile radius, 3 and 5 mile radius, with the same demographic criteria, just hop back into the geography on the left and change your radius distance and submit a new report without having to start over again.